The mother and daughter are both gone. What were you doing? Whiling away your time over there? Since Raw is not here, all of you have become useless. I want both of them. KK wants the mother and the daughter. Go and find them.
Dad?
Anushka.
Dad, this is my friend. She lives in Bethlehem Charitable Society. You know, she belongs to your village, Agriyapalli. Do you know her by any chance?
How would I know her? Yeah, it's been such a long time since I left the village. I never went back over there. Bethlehem Charitable Society sounds very familiar. I think Reddy Corporation sends donations over there.
They do, sir. Our NGO runs with your help. It's my good fortune that I met you today.
Dad, is that true? Did you help her?
Huh? Yes, of course. I don't know people personally, but Reddy Corporation does its duty very well. If there is a profit, then we also do charity. Huh?
Sir, the minister is here.
Which minister?
Mr. Shukla.
Tell him that I'm a little busy. I'll call him later.
Dad, did you just cancel a meeting? That's surprising for me. Are you all right, Dad? Did the sun rise from the west today? Dad, did you cancel the meeting because of us? We are leaving anyway. She really wanted to meet you, so I brought her to you.
Hey, what is the hurry? Now that you're here, have a seat. Huh?
No, Dad. She has to go out of town to meet her friend. I'll drop her to the railway station. Shall we?
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. It was nice meeting you. God bless you, sir.
Bye, Dad.
Aha. This girl does not listen to anyone. Like father, like daughter.
KK Reddy is almost in my control. I just have to find that girl. But Anushka is not letting me meet her. And in the girl's absence, her mother won't tell me anything.
It's so difficult for Anushka, brother. It's so difficult for her to believe that her father could do all of this.
Why did you lie to Mr. KK? I'm not going out of town.
Sometimes in order to find out the truth, one has to lie, Radha.
What truth?
You have waited all this while. Wait for some more time. By tonight, both of us will find answers to our questions.
Yes, Anushka?
Siddhant, can you meet me now? I need to discuss something very important with you.
What happened to you? Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I just want to talk to you, Siddhant. Tell me, can you meet me now?
Of course I can meet you, Anushka. You come here. Let's meet here. Come home. I'm waiting, okay?
Okay, I'll be there.
how are you? Why do I feel like you are upset? Are you feeling alright? Come, let's sit. You wanted to talk to me about something.
Siddhant, do you know Radha? The one who got kidnapped 30 years ago from Agripalli, and she's been living in an NGO in Delhi ever since. According to government records, she's dead.
That is what I was trying to tell you, Anushka. But you didn't believe me.
That's not true, Siddhant. I have always believed everything you said except this. And you know why I couldn't believe this? Because you were accusing my dad. And how could I just believe that my dad... Siddhant, I have two pillars in life. One is you, and the other is my dad.
So now, are you also getting suspicious of your dad?
I don't know, Siddhant. Yes, but at least I know that if you are so certain about it, and if mother-in-law believes so too, then something is fishy. I can't ignore this anymore, Siddhant. I do have a lot of questions in mind, and for that I need your help.
What help?
While walking on this path, I don't know where will I end up. I don't know who is waiting for me at the end of the tunnel. But I want you to promise me something.
Tell me.
If after the truth is revealed, Dad turns out to be the culprit, only I will decide what needs to be done with my dad. Only to me, okay?
This is Radha's mother's address. I've brought her to Delhi. Now this is the last evidence I have against your dad. If I find Radha today, then I can expose your dad today itself. I can send him to prison. But I have complete faith in you, Anushka. I want you to unite Radha with her mother and find out what the truth is. And once you know the truth, I'll let you decide what's to be done with your dad, alright? But don't ever ask me if I trust you or not. I may at times not trust myself, but I trust you completely. Because I know that you have imbibed my father's principles more than I have imbibed. You have followed those principles. You were more of a daughter to him than I was a son.
Ten criminals may get away.
But not a single innocent person should be punished, Your Honor.
Yes.
Thank you, Siddhant. Siddhant, what I'm going to do, for that I need a lot of courage.
Anushka Reddy Sinha. You know, you may look very fragile. You may be allergic or a softie. But I know one thing for sure, that you are a very, very strong girl.
Siddhant, I don't know what's going to happen. But you know what? I sense a storm. And for that, I might need you, Siddhant.
Anushka, you very well know that I am just a call away.
Miss Anushka, Radha.
Why did you call me here? He didn't tell me anything either.
Radha, I want you to meet someone. And once you meet her, then all the questions that we have in our mind will be answered.
Why did you call me here?
Siddhant, well, I wanted to handle this matter on my own. Well, you accused my dad after all. So I want you to go in, speak to both of them, and ask them what the truth is. And then whatever you will tell me, Siddhant, I will believe you. Because just as you trust me, I trust you too, Siddhant. But I want you to promise me something. Siddhant, if my dad is proved innocent today, then you will never suspect him again.
Okay. I promise you, Anushka.
Thank you, Siddhant. Now go in, speak to both of them, and tell me what the truth is.
Come. Please come.
Years. I'm seeing you after 30 years. And you didn't even know that I was alive. Where were you? Where were you?
Now, you have got your daughters back. So, now can you tell us what happened 30 years ago?
My husband had a coal mine in Agrapali, Andhra. And KK was the leader of the labor union of that coal mine. KK Reddy. He threatened my husband to sell his coal mine to him at a cheaper rate. And when he didn't agree, he killed my husband. And after killing him, he kidnapped my daughter and threatened me to. He wanted me to transfer the coal mine in his name or he would kill my daughter. Tell me then, what else could I have done? I transferred the coal mine in his name, but he took my daughter away and said that she would stay with him so that I stay, Mum, so that I don't complain to the police or anyone else. 30 years. For 30 years I knew that my daughter is alive, but I lived without her.
Mom. That's KK Reddy's daughter.
Please, please spare my daughter. We won't tell anyone anything. We will just leave quietly. Please, please.
You are different. And my favorite too. KK never forgets his promise. KK will definitely fulfill his promise. You have a misunderstanding about KK, I think. If I am proved innocent and Siddhant is proved wrong, then you will not go back to him.
Today, KK Reddy will be exposed in front of everyone.
KK has not done anything like that. How would I know her? It's been long since I left the village.
Mr. Khurana, I'm taking Anushka home. You please take care of both of them. This is the only proof we have against KK Reddy.
Well, Dad knows that Radha is with me, and it might be possible that he may try to find her. Anyway, when I left home, I was alert. No one was following me. But still stay cautious.
Both of you just don't worry. I'll take care of everything here. Siddhant, you please take Anushka back home. I'll stay here. And please don't worry.
Thank you.
Where was Anushka when you last checked?
Mayur Vihar, sir.
And Siddhant?
He was also there, Mayur Vihar.
Why do Anushka and Siddhant meet in Mayur Vihar, which is so far, instead of meeting at home? It is so far. Are Radha and her mother in Mayur Vihar by any chance? Find out. If a friend or colleague of Anushka's or Siddhant's, stay over there.
Okay, sir.
Did Anushka meet Radha and also met her mother?
Do you know where Siddhant went?
He had got a call from Anushka. I guess he has gone to meet her.
God knows. On one hand, she supports her dad. On the other, she supports Siddhant too. But she will have to choose one eventually.
Let me get the door. What happened, brother? Anushka, why are you crying?
What happened?
Mom, Anushka found out the truth about her dad.
I was wrong, Mom-in-law. I didn't listen to you. Because I trusted my dad completely, mother-in-law. Never had I imagined that he could... But now I have found out that there's a bitter truth about my dad. Please forgive me, mother-in-law. Purva, can you please forgive me?
Siddhant, what will you do now? Will KK Reddy be punished for his crimes?
I'm letting Anushka decide that, Mom.
So, Anushka, what decision have you taken?
I need some time to take a decision.
But
That's enough, Purva. We should give Anushka some time. Taking a decision in this regard is very difficult. Come. Have some water.
Siddhant, I may have apologized to mother-in-law and Purva, but I have wronged you as well, haven't I? I have to apologize to you as well.
Our relationship is beyond apologies and gratitude, Anushka. I knew that you would find out the truth one day. There's love in your heart for your dad, and sometimes that love blinds us completely. There's you, and then there was me. Someone said something unsavory about my father, and I believed that person completely. But tomorrow is a very important day for you and for me, Anushka.
Well, I did tell you that I will be the one to take decision, but I don't think I'm ready to do that.
The decision you take does not matter, Anushka. It's more than enough for me that you know that I wasn't lying. You, Mom, and Purva. If all three of you trust me, then I've already won half the battle. And I'm absolutely sure that if my father was alive, then even he would have said the same thing. That being blinded by revenge can never help one garner true victory, Siddhant. True victory lies in the truth only. But you'll have to take a decision, Anushka. If you don't take a decision, then lies will win yet again. And the truth will lose again. What happened? Didn't you sleep? It's almost morning.
I really tried hard, Siddhant, but I was unable to sleep.
I know that you are having difficulty taking a decision pertaining to your dad. Had I been in your place, it would have been difficult for me as well. Who could be calling so early in the morning? Hello?
Siddhant, those people took Radha and her mom away. I tried my best to stop them but was unable to.
Mr. Khurana, I hope you are okay. I hope nothing happened to you.
I am okay. They made me unconscious and took those two away. I regained consciousness just now.
I'm so sorry, Mr. Khurana. Because of me, you ended up having to bear all this. You should leave that place right now. I don't want to trouble you any further.
What happened, Siddhant?
Your dad sent some goons to abduct Radha and her mom. This was the last proof that we had against your dad. But now he has snatched even that from us. Oh God.
But now I have understood, Siddhant, what I need to do.
Anushka is not there in her room. Did she go somewhere early in the morning?
She isn't there? Did she tell you where she was going?
She hasn't been home since last night.
What do you mean? She hasn't been home since last night?
How do you know that?
I had given her a call. She was at Siddhant's place. So she said that she'll be staying over there.
Hold on. She's at Siddhant's place? What do you mean? Didn't she promise Dad that she won't go there until he is proved the culprit in the case? So... No. Now I just can't trust that Siddhant anymore. Today he's calling Dad a murderer. God knows what he'll label Anu in the future. I'm going to get her back.
Relax, Shri. She went there of her own accord. Don't make a mountain out of a mole.
Let it be, Shri. If we go there, she will insist on staying there. I think we should wait. We'll talk to her when she returns.
But where are you going?
Siddhant, I'll tell you when I return.
Where is my daughter-in-law going? I won't ask you if you don't want to tell me, but do have some breakfast. You should not leave the house on an empty stomach. I will cook only for my children. If you have any respect left in you, you will prepare your own meals. It makes no difference to me now as to what decision you take pertaining to your dad. That's because now you believe what I believe. Now you and I are on the same team, right? I understand the battle that's taking place inside you right now. And I also understand how difficult it must be for a daughter. But there is one thing, the kind of bravery and courage you are exhibiting to deal with this situation. I'm really proud of you. You know, Anushka, I wasn't angry with you before. I was angry with KK Reddy, but I could not help it. I ended up taking my anger out on you because you were there in front of me. I apologize to you, my dear.
Mother-in-law, you really didn't apologize.
Do you know? Given the situation, do you know what I regret the most? When you came to this house as a new bride, I was unable to discharge the duties of a mother. Today, I want to discharge those duties, Anushka. That's okay. God bless you. Get up.
Mother-in-law, I really need your blessings today. I am on my way to meet my dad.
Why are you going to meet your dad?
I want to tell him that I have found out everything.
Anushka, if you tell him that, then you know. He can do anything.
That's what I want to check, as to what he can do.
You are doing a terrible thing, Anushka. Don't go.
Let her go, dear. Go on, Anushka.
Mom, why did you let Anushka go? You know very well that KK Reddy is a terrible person. He's capable of anything.
Let her go, Siddhant. This is between a man and his daughter. A ton of questions must be bothering Anushka. She must be looking for the answers. She must be curious to know if KK Reddy, who deceived the whole world, could deceive her as well. She would want to know if he really loves her.
Watch your favorite dramas on DRM Drama and don't forget to subscribe.